Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Aqara Smart Lock U100, a cutting-edge smart lock that promises to revolutionize your home security experience. We'll cover everything from design and installation to its smart features and overall performance. Let's start with design. The Aqara U100 boasts a sleek, modern look with a durable zinc alloy build. It's designed to withstand the elements with IP65 weather resistance, making it suitable for various environmental conditions. The inside unit houses 4 Ah batteries and features a user-friendly interface with secure fingerprint access and a responsive keypad. Installing the Aqara U100 requires a bit of DIY effort, but it comes with comprehensive video tutorials and all necessary hardware. You'll need basic tools like a drill and screwdrivers. Ensure precise measurements for a seamless fit, especially if replacing an existing deadbolt. It took me about to complete the installation. One of the standout features is its versatile locking options. You can use fingerprints, passcodes, digital passes via the app, or even a physical key as a backup. The keypad is responsive, with clear LED indicators and a satisfying touch panel that enhances user experience. Moving on to smart capabilities, the Aqara U100 is loaded with sensors including a gyroscope for door status detection. It supports Bluetooth connectivity for remote unlocking and auto-locking features. There's also a handy, Do Not Disturb, mode to silence notifications when needed, which is great for peace of mind. Managing the Aqara U100 is effortless through its intuitive mobile app. It offers step-by-step guides for setup and customization, ensuring easy integration with your smart home ecosystem. You can manage user access, monitor activity logs, and adjust settings like auto-lock preferences with just a few taps. This smart lock supports Apple HomeKit out of the box, allowing seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. For broader compatibility with Google Home and Alexa, you'll need to pair it with an Aqara Zigbee hub. This hub also enables long-distance control and additional smart home functionalities. In conclusion, the Aqara Smart Lock U100 impresses with its robust build, extensive feature set, and user-friendly interface. While installation may require some effort and the need for an additional hub increases the overall cost, the security and convenience it offers justify the investment for smart home enthusiasts. That wraps up our review of the Aqara Smart Lock U100. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.